Right, this is our washing machine, which is a Hoover WDYN 656DG apparently. It's a pretty standard washing machine, but we've had a problem recently with the fabric conditioner not being dispensed into the wash. So there's two trays here, one labelled 1 and 2, which we don't actually use. We use a liquid detergent in a bottle in one of these things in the main drum. But the fabric conditioner is supposed to go into the central tray. It's got this little siphon arrangement as usual, but it wasn't dispensing for some reason. So I assumed that it was probably something to do with the solenoid valves at the back here not working. There's a simple manifold here. The main supply comes in the back and goes to one of 3 places. So this solenoid goes straight down into the drum down the back here, but these other 2, this one at the front and the one on the left here, dispense into either this inlet or to this one. There's a third one here which is actually completely blanked off. There's no passageway through there at all. But curiously enough, this tube here on the front solenoid actually distributes into the left-hand tray, so it comes through into this side. And this other one seems to come through into the other side. So that's kind of odd. There's obviously something going on in here that isn't quite obvious. Anyway, having tested all the solenoids, I just swapped the leads around and ran the machine at different stages of the cycle. So I was able to prove that both solenoid valves are working absolutely fine. So yes, I'd assumed that the problem must be electrical or something to do with the valves, but it turns out not to be the case. The problem seems to be purely mechanical, and in this box, and in particular in the lid. Take this out. And these things tend to fill up with all sorts of crud and mould and stuff, which is a bit of a pain. But yeah, there are the 3 sections here. There's the number 1 tray and number 2, and then this fabric conditioner in the middle. But it seemed to be the case that something this was basically just gummed up with dirt. So taking the whole lot out, taking the top section off, it clips on around the edge, but the actual top cover is ultrasonically welded, so it's in 2 parts. There's a seam along here which I couldn't get apart, so all I could do in the end was to blow it through with compressed air and flush it through with water, and that seems to have done the trick. So it'd be nice to know what's actually going on inside here. There's obviously some fairly intricate passageways, and so this strange crossover arrangement seems a bit peculiar. But anyway, taking the thing out and sort of thoroughly cleaning it as best you can without being able to get inside it seems to have done the trick. So I will know for next time to do that straight away rather than messing around with the solenoid valves. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.